Hey friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am here with just a quick chat, a wig chat, if you will, encouragement for my wig sisters, because I know some of you guys are struggling so terribly. You want to give up on the journey, but I'm here for you and I don't want you doing that. And I also want to tell you about my progression with the wig journey and why I believe so much, really with all my heart, that you can get there and you can have so much fun with wigs and your hair loss will fade into the distance. It really will. The wig I'm wearing right now is a discontinued style by Noriko. This is Eden in the color Marble Brown R. This wig, when I got it, was pretty much unwearable. This wasn't some of Noriko's best work, and that may be why it's discontinued today. So over the years, the thing is, sometimes you get a wig and you don't wear it, but you want to love it. And there's just something about that wig that calls your name. And yet whenever you put it on, you're thinking, oh, no, I can't do that. So what have I done with this one over the years? Well, I started by plucking the part line a little bit. Now, I normally pluck my part lines a lot more than this one is plucked, but you couldn't see it at all. So one of your best friends as a wig wearer are tweezers. Make sure that if you are going to use tweezers, try to get the flat tipped kind versus the super pointy kind, because you don't want to poke a hole in any lace features or monofilament. So a flat tip is a little bit safer to use. And in addition to plucking the part, I have been working on thinning this one for years. I've had this wig for about 4 years. So what I did was I kind of went on the underside and I thinned it out just a little bit right here. And then I started cutting little layers in. So these kind of shorter layers really weren't there in the beginning. And for that, my best friend is a thinning razor. This thinning razor has been a lifesaver for me on the wig journey. In addition to kind of cutting in some layers and thinning it a little bit, today when I put it on, I cut these bangs in. So this wig didn't have any bangs at all. It was all like, and it was super front heavy. It truly was pretty much unwearable until I started working on it. And when I put her on today, I'm going through all of my wigs, cleaning out my closet, selling some wigs on my website. I am also really getting that donation program going. I'm feeling really good about my progress with it, and I'll tell you guys more about that in a little later. But and so I'm going through all of my wigs and trying to determine, am I keeping it? Am I selling it? Am I donating it? And this wig, I really thought I was going to sell it. I washed it, I got it all ready. And today when I put it on to take the pictures and to film a short video, I couldn't do it. So I went to the bathroom, took this and started trimming these bangs a little bit. And it has transformed this wig to the point where there's no way I can give it up. As a matter of fact, I bought this wig in another color back then because I really did want to like it. I don't know. I wasn't making smart decisions early on in the wig journey. I'm sure many of you can relate. And I never worked on that one. So I recently just sold it on my website. And I think I'm going to reach out to the woman who bought it and just ask her if she needs any help with it at all, just to reach out to me and maybe show her what I've done with this one. Because again, we can wait for the wigs to be 100% perfect for us, needing no intervention at all. But depending on what your version of perfect is and what you're looking for and what your expectations are, you could be waiting a long time. I know some of you have bought and returned every single wig that you've purchased. There is no judgment from me on that at all. But the reason I bring it up is because you can continue to do that to infinity, or you can get really brave and start trying to make wigs your own. I recommend you start with a $20 Amazon wig. $20 money well spent if you learn some skills and it helps you to become confident in working on your more expensive pieces. I look at any money that we spend on this journey within reason as an investment in our education and an investment in our future happiness when it comes to wearing wigs. I really do look at it that way. The only reason I'm here doing this today, talking to you today, is because I made all the mistakes that you are making and probably a lot more. And at some point, I didn't have any other option. You guys, I didn't have any other option. I had to make it work. I was not going to go out in the world like this. And I decided to take all my wig sisters along on my journey because I don't know about you, but it helps me to know that I'm not alone. It helps me to know that I have wig sisters out there who get it, who are living it. And when you guys comment on my videos, when you DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook or send me an email, you have no idea what that is doing for me, how much that encourages me. And even if I don't respond, I try so hard to respond to everybody, but it can be really challenging. Please know that just the effort you took to reach out to me is all the encouragement I could ever ask for. So that's why I'm here today, and every day I make videos encouraging you, helping you, teaching you, because I know what it's like. And we can do it together. It's much better together. All right, you guys, that's it. My hair of the day. You can't buy it. It's discontinued, but I just wanted to give you guys that encouragement. I know that a lot of you have got wigs sitting in a box, in a drawer somewhere, and you're not wearing it. And, you know, it's overwhelming to think about selling it on eBay or in the Facebook groups, and obviously you can't return it. What do you have to lose? Baby steps. I have hundreds of videos teaching you how to do little things, nothing that takes great skill. Maybe you could start watching some of my Tip Tuesday videos and pick one that you think is doable for you and start working on your wigs. Will you do that for me? Will you promise me that you will try? I will link that playlist in the description below. And if you need encouragement, please reach out to me. If you need someone to talk to, I will put a link to my calendar in the description as well, and you can schedule a video or phone call with me. I don't charge for my time. I do appreciate donations because it is time consuming, but I am here for you whether you can donate money to me or not. I really am, and I want to help. So don't do this alone. Don't give up. You can do it. If I can do it, it's so cliched, but it's true. If I can do it, you can absolutely do it. Have a good day, you guys. Thanks for watching.